Ouch!
Hey, Hippo, what's wrong?
My mouth hurts. Can you check it for me?
It's okay. Let me have a look. Uh-oh, you have plaque on your teeth. I'll remove it all. Your teeth are yellow. I'll brush them. Your tongue needs to be brushed too. You have too many bugs on your back. I'll get them off. I'll apply ointment to that scratch.
Wow, now it's okay. Thanks, little bird.
I'm so pleased to help you.
Little bird is good at helping others. Shout it out. Help others and feel happy. Let's get a photo together. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Let's give a big hand to Little Bird, the good helper.